Well, here's the setup for our experiment in steam distilling oregano leaves. Ken has made a tube, and we packed it full of loosely with 1 cup of oregano leaves and stems. Very little of the stems, mostly the leaves. And we're creating steam in the steamer pot. It goes up the tube and into the pipe, the distiller. Passes through the oregano leaves, and the heat pushes the steam goes through the copper tubing here to the condenser. The condenser has cold water and copper coils inside and condenses the liquid and oils, and then it goes through the copper tube and down into a little jar. Later we'll separate it's a little dark, but we'll separate the oil and the hydrosol, which is also very medicinal.